If your content looks like everyone else's, you're leaving money on the table. In today's hyper-saturated digital landscape, blending in is the same as being invisible. The creator economy is booming, but it's also a battlefield for attention. Every minute, hundreds of hours of video are uploaded, millions of posts are shared. Standing out requires a unique voice, a distinct style, and a relentless pace that most creators and brands simply can't maintain. The pressure to be constantly on, to innovate with every post, and to feed the algorithmic beast is immense. This leads to creative burnout, inconsistent output, and ultimately, a plateau in growth and revenue. You might have a fantastic product or a compelling message, but if it's wrapped in the same generic package as your competitors, it will get lost in the noise. The cost of differentiation is high, both in time and resources, and that's a fundamental barrier we need to address. If your posting is manual, you're leaving money on the table. Think about the hours spent every single week just on the mechanics of content creation. Filming, editing, writing captions, creating graphics, and then manually uploading to each platform. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and more. Each platform has its own nuances, its own best practices. This manual grind is a bottleneck. It's slow, it's repetitive, and it's prone to human error. While you're spending a full day producing a single short video, your competitors could be deploying a dozen. This isn't just an inefficiency, it's a massive opportunity cost. Every hour you spend on tedious, low-value tasks is an hour you're not spending on high-level strategy, community engagement, or building new revenue streams. You're trading your most valuable asset, your time, for tasks that can and should be automated. If your posting is slow, you're leaving money on the table. Speed is the new currency of the internet. Trends emerge and vanish in a matter of days, sometimes hours. If you can't react in real time, you're perpetually behind the curve. A slow content pipeline means you're missing out on viral opportunities, failing to engage with timely conversations, and letting your audience's attention drift elsewhere. The algorithms that govern these platforms reward frequency and consistency. A sporadic posting schedule signals to the system that you're not a reliable source of content, which can suppress your reach and cripple your growth. Being slow means you can't test ideas quickly, you can't pivot based on data, and you can't scale your message effectively. You're essentially fighting a modern war with outdated weapons, and if your influencer costs are high, you're definitely leaving money on the table. Traditional influencer marketing is powerful, but it's also incredibly expensive and often unpredictable. Finding the right talent, negotiating contracts, managing relationships, and tracking ROI is a full-time job. You might spend thousands of dollars on a single campaign with a human influencer, only to see mediocre results or a message that doesn't quite align with your brand. There's no guarantee of consistency in their delivery, their tone, or even their willingness to stick to the script. You're paying a premium for access to their audience, but you have very little control over the final product. This model is becoming unsustainable for many businesses, especially those looking to scale their marketing efforts without an infinite budget. What if you could have the impact of an influencer without the exorbitant costs and logistical headaches? This is where the paradigm shifts. This is where Higgsfield comes in. Higgsfield is not just another content tool, it's a complete solution for creating, managing, and monetizing AI-powered virtual influencers. It's designed to solve every single one of the problems we just discussed. It allows you to build a digital personality from the ground up, a personality that is perfectly aligned with your brand, available 24/7, and capable of producing content at a scale that's simply impossible for a human team. Higgsfield lets you create AI influencers that talk. They can deliver any script you write, in a consistent voice, with lifelike expressions and gestures. Higgsfield lets you create AI influencers that sell. These aren't just digital puppets, they are sophisticated marketing assets. You can embed them with calls to action, direct them to specific landing pages, and integrate them seamlessly into your sales funnels. They can promote affiliate products, announce flash sales, and drive traffic to your e-commerce store with perfect consistency every single time. They become a trusted face for your brand, building a relationship with your audience and guiding them through the customer journey without ever getting tired or going off script. And most importantly, Higgsfield lets you create AI influencers that scale. Imagine being able to generate 100 unique, high-quality video variations for a single campaign, in the time it would take a traditional team to produce one. Imagine being able to deploy a dozen different AI influencers, each targeting a specific niche or demographic, all managed from a single dashboard. This is the power of scaling with AI. You break free from the linear relationship between effort and output. With Higgsfield, you can amplify your message exponentially, reaching more people, in more places, more effectively than ever before. And you can do it all without a massive team. No need for directors, camera operators, video editors, or social media managers. The entire workflow is consolidated into one intuitive platform. This means a single person, a solo entrepreneur, a marketing manager, a content creator, can now wield the power of a full-scale digital media agency. It democratizes content creation at the highest level. The first step is to build a consistent persona. This is the foundation of your AI influencer. Inside Higgsfield, you're not just picking a face, you're crafting a character. You define their backstory, their personality traits. Are they witty and sarcastic or warm and inspirational? You determine their niche, their target audience, and their core values. This ensures that every piece of content they produce is perfectly on brand. The platform helps you maintain this consistency across all scripts and visuals, creating a believable and relatable character that your audience can connect with. You can even clone your own voice and likeness or create something entirely new. Once your persona is set, you can generate short-form videos in minutes. The workflow is incredibly efficient. You start with a script. You can write your own, or use Higgsfield's AI script writer to generate ideas and drafts based on your topic and persona. You feed the script into the system, select your AI influencer, choose a background, and click Generate. The platform's engine then gets to work, animating the avatar, syncing the lip movements, and rendering a complete ready-to-post video. What used to take hours or days of coordinated effort is now reduced to a few clicks. This speed allows you to batch create weeks' worth of content in a single afternoon. But creating content is only half the battle. You need to know what works. That's why Higgsfield has powerful tools to A/B test scripts to find what converts. This is a game changer. With a human influencer, it's nearly impossible to test different hooks or calls to action with scientific precision. With Higgsfield, it's simple. You can create 2, 5, or even 10 variations of a single video, each with a slightly different opening line, a different benefit highlighted, or a different call to action. You then deploy these variations and let the data tell you what resonates most with your audience. The platform's analytics track views, engagement, and click-through rates, giving you clear, actionable insights to optimize your messaging for maximum impact and ROI. Now let's talk about the most exciting part: making money. Higgsfield is built for monetization. One of the most direct ways is to monetize through affiliate links. Your AI influencer can create compelling review videos, tutorials, or top 5 lists, seamlessly integrating your affiliate links into the content and description. Because you can produce content at scale, you can target countless niche products, running dozens of affiliate campaigns simultaneously. The influencer becomes a trusted source of recommendations, driving consistent passive income through commissions. You can also monetize through branded deals, just like a traditional influencer. But here, you have the ultimate advantage. You can offer brands unparalleled speed, consistency, and data-driven performance. You can show them a portfolio of your AI influencers' engagement metrics and guarantee a specific tone and message. This makes you an incredibly attractive partner. The platform even helps you manage these deals, creating professional proposals and reports for your brand sponsors, turning your AI influencer into a legitimate, revenue-generating media property. And for e-commerce brands, you can monetize through automated product drops. This is where the automation power of Higgsfield truly shines. You can schedule a multi-day campaign where your AI influencer teases a new product, builds hype, and then announces the drop at a specific time across all social platforms simultaneously. You can link directly to the product page, driving a surge of targeted traffic the moment it goes live. This creates urgency and excitement, leading to highly successful launches, all orchestrated from a single dashboard. In a moment, I'm going to prove just how fast and powerful this is. I'll show a live demo of making a clip from scratch. We'll go from a simple script idea to a fully rendered, ready-to-post short-form video. You'll see the entire process, step by step. Then, I'll show a live demo of swapping outfits. This is a fantastic feature for fashion brands or for simply keeping your influencers look fresh and relevant. You'll see how, with a single click, we can change the entire aesthetic of our character without having to re-render the entire video. And finally, I'll show a live demo of pushing it to socials. We'll take the clip we just created and schedule it to be posted across multiple platforms directly from within the Higgsfield interface, demonstrating the seamless end-to-end workflow. And we're going to do all of this in under 5 minutes. That's the power we're talking about. From concept to multi-platform distribution in less time than it takes to brew a pot of coffee. The bottom line is this: Higgsfield gives you the tools to create, to break through the noise with a unique, compelling, and tireless brand ambassador that works for you 24/7. It gives you the data to optimize, to stop guessing and start making decisions based on real-world performance, ensuring every piece of content is more effective than the last. And it gives you the workflows to cash in, to turn your content engine into a revenue-generating machine through affiliates, brand deals, and direct sales. The era of leaving money on the table is over. Ready to see the demo?